The correct halide ion which can be oxidized by the oxygen in acidic medium in H plus conditions by using oxygen. This is oxygen, whereas we are using H plus as medium. We are taking one of the halide ion X minus. This X minus should undergo oxidation, that should be converted as X2. Yes, such of transformation is possible by which of the halide ion? The correct halide ion which can be oxidized by oxygen in acidic medium. Whereas halide ions that we have are fluoride ion F minus, chloride ion Cl minus, bromide ion Br minus, followed by I minus. These are the halide ions. Whereas as we know the primary minimum information, fluoride is acting as, fluorine is acting as strongest oxidizing agent. Hence the fluoride ion oxidation is not possible, whereas the chances comes from the bottom to top, whether it can be iodide ion or it can be iodine followed by Br minus ion. It can be iodide Br minus followed by Cl minus ions, like this, whether it is just 1 or 1 and 2 or 1, 2 and 3 combination, which will be the proper correct combination that can be getting oxidized by the oxygen in presence of acidic medium. From the potentials information, it is very clear that the oxidation of I minus becomes easy compared to remaining other halide ions. Hence the only one chance that is present for the halide ion that it can undergo oxidation by using oxygen in presence of acidic medium is I minus ion. This I minus ion on combination with oxygen in presence of H plus undergoes oxidation. As a result of its oxidation number increases from -1 to next immediate higher oxidation number, that is I0. I0 stands for, it leads to the formation of what? I2 formation takes place. In this 2 electrons are involved, whereas here if I take 4 I minuses, 4 electrons are involved over here. Those 4 electrons are getting taken by the 4 H plus ions of the acidic medium and it is converted to 2 water molecules. This is the reaction that is possible when oxygen in presence of acidic medium is used as reagent. Then this particular combination for this halide ion is acting as oxidizing agent. Yes, it is acting as oxidizing agent. Hence this I minus undergoes oxidation and it is converted from I minus to I2 formation takes place. Only I minus undergoes oxidation, that is just I minus undergoes oxidation. Just I minus undergoes oxidation in presence of oxygen in acidic medium conditions. No other halide ion undergoes oxidation.